How can you add music to a video? Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you add music to a video. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that if you want to add any music to your video, there are lots of application or social media platform from where you can easily add any music like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. But if you want to just add it to your particular video with the easiest method, simply you can add it using a editing software like CapCut, VN or any other application. Simply open any application. Likewise, I'm opening CapCut. After you open CapCut, from there you'll have to just add that project or video. After that, simply you can add audio by tapping on the option add audio. From here, you can export or extract the audio from video. For that, simply tap on extract. Now from here, you can extract the audio from a video. Simply choose and tap on extract and add audio. After that, that audio or music will be added on your video on CapCut. But if you want to just add any specific audio, simply you'll have to just tap on sound at the bottom. After that, you can find all of the recommended audio or music from here, as well as you can add from the TikTok by linking your TikTok account. Simply you can find your saved video or you can add from your file manager. After that, you can simply export that video with that audio by tapping on export at the top right, and that's it. This is the way you can try to add any music or audio to a video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.